Updating your payment method in Claude AI is necessary when your credit card expires, you switch to a different card, or your billing details change. This tutorial outlines the steps to access the billing section and update your payment information. Steps to change your payment method. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude AI website. Ensure you are logged into your account. Look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You will see your profile picture or account icon there. Click on it to open the account menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page. Inside the settings page, locate the section labeled Billing. Click on Billing to open your payment information. This section displays all payment methods currently connected to your account. Look next to your existing payment method. You will find a small icon that resembles two arrows forming a circle. Click on that icon to update or change your payment method. After clicking it, you will be prompted to enter your new payment details. Type in the correct information, including your card number, expiration date, and any other required fields. Once you have entered the new information, click Save to apply the changes. Confirmation. Your payment method is now updated. The new card or payment method will be used for future subscription charges. Limitation: if no payment method is currently added to your account, the billing section will show an empty state. In that case, you will need to add a new payment method rather than change an existing one. This process is best suited for users on paid Claude plans, such as Pro or Max, who need to update expired or invalid cards. Conclusion: changing your payment method in Claude AI involves logging into your account, navigating to Settings, selecting Billing, clicking the update icon next to your existing payment method, entering new card details, and saving. The updated method will apply to future subscription billing cycles.